So today I'm testing out this Taco Bell original taco seasoning mix. This is something that I found in my store. I've never seen it before, and I do like Taco Bell tacos, so I'm gonna try this out and see if it tastes any good. So the instructions seem pretty straightforward. You're just gonna brown some turkey meat or beef, whatever you prefer, and then you add in the seasoning mix, add a little bit of water, simmer that for a little bit until the water mostly cooks away. So right now I'm just heating up some oil in the pan, and once that gets a little hotter, I'm going to add the meat. Alright, so I broke up the meat. Now I'm just going to wait for it to cook a little bit and then toss it around and essentially brown the meat. Alright, the meat has browned, and you're going to add in your taco seasoning. I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Mix that around, get all your meat covered in the seasoning. If you feel like you need more water, add more water, but do it slowly. You don't want it to be too runny. Alright, so my meat is cooked. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble the tacos. I'm using the old El Paso crunchy tacos. So at my store, there's not a lot of selections when it comes to like hard taco shells. So I tend to go with this brand. And also at my store I picked up this, which is cilantro lime street taco sauce. So I've never had this before, but I want to try it to see if it tastes good. Of course, we are going to add cheese to our tacos. I got this mild cheddar cheese. And I like to put salsa on my tacos, just a little bit of salsa. So I'm going to taste test the tacos without the salsa to see how the seasoning tastes. And then I'll load it up to how I like and eat it that way. Okay, so here are my tacos. These ones on the side over here have the salsa and the street taco sauce. This one has no salsa and just the street taco sauce. So this one I intended to be totally plain and just have like the meat and cheese, just to see how the taco seasoning is, if it tastes like Taco Bell or not. And I put 1 squirt of street taco sauce here, so I'm gonna try to eat this side and review it and see how it tastes. So I'm gonna take a few bites and let's see how it tastes. Okay, so I did a little bit of a taste test. The Taco Bell seasoning packet does taste like Taco Bell. It tastes really good. And as far as my loaded taco with the street sauce and the salsa, I really like it. I think it has a lot of enhanced flavors. So all in all, I think this is a successful taste test, and I'm really happy with how it turned out.